Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and doing studies well. Okay students, today I am going to tell you about integers, and in the integers we will do here today the integers represented on the number line and comparison of the integers. Let's see there. There is the worksheet 2, and we have already discussed what we will do here in the worksheet 2. Absolute values and comparing the integers and integers on the number line. 3 topics are there. So there is the question number 1 here. In the question number 1, in the part 1, mark any point as origin on the given number line. स्टूडेंट्स, पहले आप अपनी बुक्स लेकर बैठिएगा अपने साथ में क्वेश्चन शुरू करने से पहले. और फर्स्टली आई विल टेल यू दैट रीड द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट एंड देन सी द वीडियो हियर. अब देखिए क्वेश्चन 1 में दिया हुआ है मार्क एनी पॉइंट एज ओरिजिन ऑन द गिवन नंबर लाइन. जो गिवन नंबर लाइन है इस पर आपको एक पॉइंट ऐसा मार्क करना है जो आप ओरिजिन डिसाइड करना चाहते हैं, एंड दैट विल बी दिस 0 एज द ओरिजिन हियर. This is the number line. Done. Now in the part B we have to represent here write integers on either side of the origin with proper signs. एक नंबर लाइन आपको क्वेश्चन में ही दिया हुआ है और आपको ओरिजिन के लेफ्ट और राइट साइड के पॉइंट्स को मार्क करना है. राइट इंटीजर्स ऑन आइदर साइड ऑफ द ओरिजिन विद प्रॉपर साइंस. साइंस का यूज करके 0 के दोनों साइड में आपको नंबर्स को मार्क करना है. 0 के लेफ्ट साइड में कौन से नंबर्स होते हैं? नेगेटिव नंबर्स. एंड 0 के राइट साइड में कौन से नंबर्स होते हैं? पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी आर मार्किंग हियर these 1 2 3 4 as a negative sign, and these are not taken as any sign, so they are obviously marking as a positive sign. Now students, in the question number 2, what will we do here? Encircle the number which is to the right of the other. Which is to the right of the other. One number is there and one number is there. Which one is right to the right of the other? This is right of this number. Then we will check who is right, who is on the right side. Encircle that number. Is this clear? Now encircle the number which is to the right of the other on the number line in each of the following pairs. That is, the first part is 3 and -1. Who is on the right side? If there is the number line, there is 0, there is 1, 2 and 3. Here is -1. Who is in the right side? This is left and this is right. And -2 1. It is right. 3 is right to the -1. One number which is right to the other, we have to write that and circle that number. That is 3 here. 3 is in the right side of -1. Is this clear? And in these numbers, who is in the right side of the other number? This is -8, suppose, -7 and so on. This is 0 here. Who is right side? This and this, both numbers, -8 and 0, this number, both numbers are this, and we have to encircle the digit which is right to the other. This is right to the -8, so 0 is the right to the -8. It will be encircled here. Now there are -6 and -4. There is -6 and there is -4 here. Who is in the right side? Yes, -4 is right to the -6. There is -4 right to the -6. -4 -6 के राइट साइड में होगा. अभी हमारे पास नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 14 and -7. 14 and -7 में कौन दूसरे के राइट साइड में है? This is suppose this is -7 here and this is 14 here. Then who is on the right side of the other? कौन सा नंबर है जो दूसरे के राइट साइड में है? इसके राइट साइड में कौन है? 14. इट मीन्स दिस इज नॉट इन द राइट साइड ऑफ दिस इज नॉट इन द राइट साइड ऑफ दिस, बिकॉज 14 के ये लेफ्ट साइड में है -7. इट मीन्स राइट साइड में कौन है? -7 के राइट साइड में 14 है. It means 14 is on the right side of the number. -9 and -8. Who is on the right side of that number? That is -8. Is it clear? On the right side of the -9. And 4 and 7. Who is on the right side? Right side. 4 के right side में number 7 होगा. Answer for numbers. Now we will do here the question number 3rd. In the question number 3rd, one part C you do yourself. अपने आप करेंगे, आप try करेंगे. एंड मैं आपको यहाँ A, B and D की पार्ट करवाऊंगी. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट, इंटीजर्स बिटवीन -5 and 0. देयर इज द नंबर लाइन हियर. दिस इज -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. दिस इज 0. And -5 and 0. Between -5 and 0, what numbers are there? -4, -3, -2, -1. Between -5 and 0, what are the integers here? -4, -3, -2 and -1. So write down in the answer. -4, -3, -2, -1. Between means इन दोनों नंबर्स को आपको काउंट नहीं करना है. -5 and 0. -5 और 0 के बीच में आने वाले इंटीजर्स को आपको यहाँ काउंट करना है. नाउ दैट इज द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज बी, इंटीजर्स बिटवीन -4 and 3. टेक ए नंबर लाइन and represent these numbers and find out what are the numbers. -4, after -4 what will be written here? -3. -4 is not counted because we have to count here only the between numbers between -4 and 3. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, no, 3, no. Yes, it ends up to 2 number. Now integers between -6 and -1. -5, -4, -3 and -2. It ends at the -2. Okay students, these are the question 1, 2 and 3. Now we will take here the question number 4. Let's do. Yes students, now we are doing here the question number 4, part A, B, C, F, H, I and J, and the remaining parts you will do yourself. Only we have to do here only comparison. In the comparison we are comparing here that whose number is greater than, less than, equal to and between integers. There कोई भी 2 इंटीजर्स यहाँ दिए हुए हैं और इन इंटीजर्स में आपको 3 साइन पुट अप करने हैं, लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन एंड इक्वल टू. 3 साइंस आर पुटिंग हियर and then you are comparing all the numbers. So let's see there, 3 and -3, comparing these numbers. This is greater, this is less. 3 is greater number, yes. This is positive number and positive numbers are greater. On the number line, let's see here, there is number line, and if we are going to the left side, numbers are increasing or greater. Going to the left, greater numbers. Okay, it means there is the -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. It means 3 is greater than -3. Then 3 is greater than -3. -3 छोटा है, फिर 3 बड़ा है. It means 3 is greater than -3. इन दोनों नंबर्स में 0 बड़ा है, -1 छोटा है. देखिए 0 और -1, इन दोनों नंबर्स में कौन बड़ा है? 0. इस साइड वाले नंबर्स हमेशा बड़े होते हैं. एंड -1, 0, 1, -1, 0, 4. Who is greater? This number is greater and this is less number. And now between both the numbers, this is greater number 16, positive sign, and this is negative sign. और अगर दोनों साइन नेगेटिव होते हैं तो जो नंबर छोटा होता है वो सबसे बड़ा हो जाता है और जो बड़ा होता है वो छोटा हो जाता है. इट मीन्स ये नंबर छोटा हो जाएगा और ये वाला नंबर बड़ा हो जाएगा नेगेटिव साइन लगते ही. क्लियर है? एंड 0 एंड -1 में से हमेशा 0 बड़ा होता है. नेगेटिव नंबर से 0 और पॉजिटिव नंबर हमेशा बड़े होते हैं. एंड -1 एंड 1 में से नेगेटिव नंबर हमेशा पॉजिटिव नंबर से छोटे होते हैं. And we have done already the remembering points. In the remembering points, all the things are given here. Okay, students. Now we will do here the question number 5. Let's see. Yes, students. There is the question number 5. The absolute value of 17 is 17. Positive numbers. Absolute value of any positive number is positive. And absolute value of any negative number is becomes as also positive. Okay, and absolute value of 0 is always 0, and positive absolute value of minus 43, negative number for absolute value is 43. Okay, students, you are doing another questions. Some more questions are there, some more integers are there, and you will find yourself the absolute value. आप अपने आप try करके देखेंगे absolute values of numbers की. Now we will do here the question number 6. In the question number 6, there is given here the ascending order. We have to write the integers in the ascending order. There are some integers given here, and you have to write here the ascending order of the integers. Integers are given here 4, minus 6, minus 5, 16, minus 11, minus 21, and 50. These numbers are given here, and you have to find here the ascending order. In the ascending order, there is smallest first. Ascending order, there is smallest first, which is smallest, most smaller number. In the negative, which number is greater? Which is the smallest? That is minus 21. And next number is minus 11, minus 5, and then 4, and then 16, and then 50. These numbers are written as the ascending order. Is this clear, students? Now we have to do here the question number 7, and in the question number 7 there is asking that descending order. Descending order. In the descending order, numbers are written is 0, minus 1, 7, minus 16, minus 12, minus 30. You have to write here descending order. In the descending order, greater one first and then smaller numbers. Who is greater most? Positive numbers. In the positive numbers, who is greater? 7. It means 7 is greatest number, and then in the positive numbers there is 0, and all other negative numbers. So which is greater? Which is greater in the smaller numbers? Minus 1, yes, and then minus 16, minus 12, minus 16, and minus 30. All numbers are written here. Yes, it means this is in the descending order. Now we will do here the question number 8. In the true false question is there. Question number 8, part A. Every integer is either positive or negative. Yes, every integer is either positive or negative. This is the most important question. क्या हर इंटीजर या तो पॉजिटिव होता है या नेगेटिव होता है? नो, 0 is neither positive nor negative. It means there is example 0. There is false statement, and for false statements always give the reason. Since 0 is neither positive, false statement में हमेशा अपना रीजन दीजिए अगर आप कह रहे हैं false है. 0 is neither positive nor negative. And now there is a part B. In the part B, 0 is greater than every negative integer. Yes, it will be right. 0 is always greater than the negative integers. An integer to the left of the another integer is always smaller. Yes, left of the another integer. अगर कोई नंबर किसी नंबर के लेफ्ट साइड में है, लेफ्ट साइड में मीन्स इस नंबर लाइन के अगर कोई नंबर यहाँ है और इसके लेफ्ट साइड में अगर कोई भी नंबर होगा तो वो हमेशा इससे छोटा ही होगा, कंफर्म है. It means this is the true statement. C part, that is true. Now we can find the smallest integer. क्या हम smallest integer find out कर सकते हैं? If we are going to the number line to the left side, the smallest number, it means this is gone and gone and gone and gone. We can't find the smallest number. It means this is the false statement. Because no end on no end of number line. Is this clear? Now, absolute value of a given integer is always greater than an integer. Always greater. No, it may be equal. Yes. The part F, D. Part D, E is the absolute value of a given integer. False. False में हम रीजन देंगे कोई भी एक एग्जांपल. क्या एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू हमेशा ग्रेटर देन होती है? नो. नेगेटिव नंबर्स की एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू अगर आप निकालते हैं तो ग्रेटर होती है, पॉजिटिव नंबर आता है. बट इक्वल भी होती है. ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है? 0. Absolute value of 0 is equals to 0, or any positive integer, and absolute value of 7 is equals to 7. Is this clear? May be equal. So it may be equal. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the question. Next part, F. All natural numbers are positive integers. All natural numbers are positive. Yes, all natural numbers. Natural numbers are from 1, 2, 3, 4 and all are positive. It means this is the true statement. G part. All whole numbers are integers. Yes, all whole numbers are integers. Yes, whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and all are integers. It means this is the true statement. This is the H part. In the part H, absolute value of 3 is minus 3. No, पॉजिटिव नंबर्स की एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू हमेशा पॉजिटिव ही होती है, तो -3 नहीं हो सकता है. इट मीन्स दैट इज फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट सिंस एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 3. इज दिस क्लियर, स्टूडेंट्स? देयर इज द it's completed here the worksheet 2. Now we will do here the worksheet 3. For the worksheet 3, we will do here the addition of integers. And how do we add the integers? Let's calculate here. Let's solve here. Let's see. Now, students, in the worksheet 3, we will learn here the addition of integers. There is the topic here, addition of integers. For addition of integers, what will we do here? Firstly, we will see here that addition of integers on the number line. First we will learn here addition of integers on the number line. There is 0. This is the number line, and we have the example that we have to add here plus 3 and plus 2. Addition of two integers here on the number line. Students, you know as well plus 3 means some increasing here. It means we are going to the left side. Plus means left side, and minus 3 means right side. Going to right. Firstly, clear these things. If plus 3 going to the left, and if minus 3 going to the right. Always. Now, first this will be added to this. So, plus 3. But where will be the plus 3? 1, 2 and 3. We are going to write left side. Sorry, it's wrong here. This is the right side and this is the left side. Sorry. Minus negative sign means we are going to the left side, and we are going to the right side if there is a positive sign. And there is the positive 3. It means we are going to the right. From 0, we are doing here 3. 1, 2 and 3. This will be, we will reach here at this point. Now, in this, we are adding here the plus 2. It means there is also the plus 2. It means we are going to the again right side. Yes, 2 steps. 1 step and 2 steps. Again we are going to the 2 steps. This is 5. This will be reached here. Done. We are reaching here at this point. So it's the last end point where we have reached. It means if we are adding plus 3 and plus 2, we will get here the plus 5 as the answer. This is 5 plus 3 and plus 2 is equals to 5. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Is it clear? Now, if there is a number that minus 3 and minus 2, if we are adding both the negative signs, so what will we do here? First, we will see on the number line. Let's see here on the number line. Now we will do here minus 3 and minus 2 on the number line. So students, you are seeing here that there is 0, there is minus 1, there is minus 2, there is minus 3, there is minus 4. I have an idea, so I will represent here up to minus 5. So students, you are taking here, this is the number line, there is 0 and there are the negative integers. Because both are the negative integers, I have an idea only. There is the first number is minus 3. So we are going to the which side? Left side. For negative, for minus, we are going to the left side. 3 steps. It's a 0, 1, 2 and 3. 3 steps I will reach here. So now we are adding in the minus 3, minus 2. And for minus 2, it means this is also the negative sign. And if this is negative sign, we are going to the left side again. 2 steps. How many steps? 1 and 2. We will reach here at this point. Is this clear, students? So we will get the answer minus 5. Minus 3 and plus minus 2 equals to minus 5. It will be done here. Now, so now students, if both are negative signs and both are positive signs, we will represent it on the number line like this. And if we want to find the addition of both positive integers or both negative integers without the number line, what will we do here? Without the number line, to find the value, to find the addition of the both integers without the number line, what will we do here? Let's see there. हम क्या करेंगे? नंबर लाइंस को रिप्रेजेंट करके हमें नहीं ऐड करना है, हमें सिंपली विदाउट नंबर लाइन के रिप्रेजेंट करना है, ऐड करना है दो इंटीजर्स को. कैसे करेंगे देखिए. प्लस 3 एंड प्लस 2, वी वांट टू फाइंड द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस नंबर. सो फॉर दिस फर्स्ट वी विल find the absolute value of plus 3 and plus 2. Find the absolute value of both the numbers. This is 3 and this is 2. We will do here the addition. So add these two numbers, absolute values of these two numbers adding here. That is 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. And what will we do the sign here? That is plus 5. Answer. Both numbers have which sign? Plus. So it will get here the plus sign. Is this clear? And if both numbers are negative, then how do we find the addition of these two integers without the number line? Same, इसमें भी हमें वही करना है. पहले दोनों नंबर्स, जो भी नंबर्स दिए हुए हैं -3 एंड -2, दोनों की हम एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यूज निकालेंगे. -3 की एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू 3, -2 की एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू 2, एंड देन हम ऐड कर देंगे दोनों नंबर्स को. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. बट हमें साइन कौन सा लेना है? साइन के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? जो दोनों नंबर्स के सामने जो साइन दिया हुआ है, वही साइन हम आंसर में पुट कर देंगे. 5 and that is minus here. Is this clear, students? This will be the answer here, and here is this is the answer here. and we get the answer here 5. This is 5, and we get the answer here -5, and here is also -5. It means both methods are different, but their answers are always the same answer. Okay, students. Now we will do here the addition of both the integers are same here, but now we will do here both the integers are of opposite sign, and then we will add here. How do we find the addition of opposite sign integers? Let's see. There is, तो स्टूडेंट्स हम साइन अगर डिफरेंट हैं तो हम एडिशन कैसे करेंगे इंटीजर्स का? देखिए इधर सबसे पहले हम नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करना सीखेंगे. अगर हमारे पास कोई नंबर दिया हुआ है, सपोज करिए हमारे पास नंबर है -3 and 2. इज दिस क्लियर? और एक और एग्जाम्पल लेंगे हम यहाँ. चलो दोबारा लेंगे, पहले इसी एग्जाम्पल को करते हैं. देयर इज 0 हियर, देयर इज 1, देयर इज 2, देयर इज 3, देयर इज 4, and here is also -1, -2, -3, -4. Doing like this as an idea. Firstly, नंबर लाइन पर कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? पहले मुझे फर्स्ट वाला नंबर बताइए, -3. It's the negative sign. Negative sign, it means we will go to the left side. In this left side, how many steps? 3 steps. From 0 we will start because this is the origin point. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 steps. Here we will come there. Now क्या ऐड करना है हमें? यहाँ 2 ऐड करना है, and 2 gets the positive sign. Okay, positive sign means we will go to the right. -3 में हमें 2 steps right चलना है, right side for the positive, +2, and this is -3. This is the +2 here. We will take it. This will get the sign here. Is this clear, students? We are reaching here and we are reaching here this time. Okay, it means this will be the answer. This answer is -1. This is the representation on the number line. And if we have not the number line, we are not using here the number line, then what will we do here? Not using the number line. अगर हम नंबर लाइन को यूज ना करके हम सिंपली इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, दोनों नंबर्स को, तो कैसे करेंगे? वही सेम मेथड फाइंड करेंगे. पहले एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू दोनों नंबर्स की. दिस इज 3 एंड दिस इज 2. नाउ वहां हम अगर साइन सेम होते थे तो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यूज को क्या करते थे हम? ऐड. बट इस एडिशन में ही एडिशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर साइन डिफरेंट है तो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यूज निकाल करके उनका हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? डिफरेंस. Difference is equals to 3 minus 2, that is 1. Is this clear, students? Now put the sign. Which number sign we will put here? Which is the greater absolute value? This will be the greater absolute value. Greater absolute value का जो साइन लगा हुआ है वो साइन हमें यहाँ पुट कर देंगे. ग्रेटर वैल्यू की नंबर पर जो साइन लगा हुआ है, that is minus. It means answer is 1 is the answer here, and put the sign -1. Is this clear, student? This will be the answer, and here is also the same answer. Both answers are same, but methods are different. This is by number line, and this is not used here the number line. It will done here. Okay, students. Now we will do here the questions. Okay. After doing questions, we will solve easily the questions here, and I hope you have no problem from this. I will repeat it again. अगर हमारे पास सेम साइन के दोनों नंबर्स हैं, either positive, both are positive, either both are negative. दोनों नंबर्स या तो पॉजिटिव हैं या फिर नेगेटिव हैं. अगर दोनों नंबर्स पॉजिटिव हैं तो हमें उनके एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यूज निकाल करके और हमें ऐड कर देना है. इज इट क्लियर? दोनों साइन अगर नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स हैं, दोनों ही नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स हैं, उनको ऐड करने के लिए हमें उनकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यूज निकाल करके उनको ऐड कर देना है. लेकिन अगर दोनों डिफरेंट साइन के इंटीजर्स हैं तो हमें उनकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यूज को निकाल करके हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? डिफरेंस. यू हैव टू रिमाइंड इट. इसे आपको हमेशा याद रखना पड़ेगा. इनका डिफरेंस निकालेंगे. डिफरेंस क्या है? आपके पास 1 आया और उसके बाद हमें साइन पुट करना है, बट साइन कौन सा पुट करेंगे? ग्रेटर एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू चेक करेंगे। ग्रेटर एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू के नंबर के सामने जो साइन था वही हम यहाँ पुट कर देंगे, दैट इज -1. It will be done here, and I will repeat it again on the number line. Both are positive numbers, both are negative numbers, which will do here. But reminded, अगर पॉजिटिव साइन है तो हमें कौन से साइड में जाना है? राइट साइड में. और अगर नेगेटिव साइन का इंटीजर है तो हमें लेफ्ट साइड चलना है उतना ही. फर्स्ट टेक द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, फर्स्ट इंटीजर and represent it on the number line. This is negative. We will come to the left. अगर नेगेटिव साइन है तो हम लेफ्ट साइड में जाएंगे, और अगर पॉजिटिव साइन है तो हम राइट साइड में जाएंगे. And then mark that point, and then from this point the next steps count there. There are positive or negative. If positive, go to the right, and if negative, come to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will get the answer here. Is this clear? Like this is the answer here, because this is +2. +2 means we are going to the left side, right side, and we are doing here the -1 as the answer. Is this clear, students? So I hope you have cleared all the questions, and we will do in the next class the worksheet 3.